Welcome back to Coast with Joanne. It is episode 11. Today we will be traveling all the way up to the mountains and to Matagalpa, where we will hike the Cerro Apante Trail all the way up to the Virgin of Guadalupe. Come along. You are looking at the culantro plant. This is a herb that grows very prolifically here in Nicaragua. I use it in things like ceviche, in sauces, and in salads. In North America, the equivalent of this is cilantro or coriander. Tastes the same. The plant looks different. The leaves are a lot more hardy, and this actually keeps a lot longer in the fridge. The people at Spruce Eats have already done a comparison between the two plants. So here it is. We are taking a road trip up to Matagalpa, which is located in the mountains, about halfway up the country. There is a lot to see in this area, but today we will concentrate on one specific hike that starts right in the city of Matagalpa. Known as the Pearl of the North, and also for a lot of agricultural successes, including quality coffee. This area has waterfalls, it has lots of hiking trails, and many things to see. Here are a couple of screenshots from my phone comparing the temperature between Matagalpa and San Juan del Sur. Because of Matagalpa's elevation and it is a little bit further north, it always is a little bit cooler, which is quite a relief in April and May. Many Christian people from all over Nicaragua come to Matagalpa during Semana Santa or Holy Week to do the hike from the city of Matagalpa up to the Virgin of Guadalupe. Here is today's goal. There are many tourism companies in Matagalpa, and they all do tours to a variety of places in the surrounding area. I hired a guide through one of these companies, and when it's just one-on-one like that, it adds another level of richness to the experience because you can have a conversation with them and you can find out about living in the area, what it was like growing up in the area. It really is, it is a great thing to do, so I highly recommend it. The tour does start in the city center. The crosses start at the various cathedrals and churches in Matagalpa, and then it winds up into the mountainside. I am always amazed at how big things grow here in Nicaragua. This is the view from the top overlooking the misty, magical city of Matagalpa. What I love most about pickleball is how it brings people together. In the past few months, we have seen people from all of these countries come together to play pickleball and to have fun. So amazing. Come on out and play. We're waiting for you. In observance of Earth Day, which comes up on April 22nd, we will clean up a portion of our neighborhood. We have come back to the ceiba tree to clean up underneath her. To help me on today's mission, I have one future professional baseball player, a future police officer, and a future doctor. So it is incredible, but under this big, majestic tree, the ceiba tree, people are using it as a dumping ground for their garbage. So we actually needed a shovel and we took 4 bags of garbage, but there's still tons of garbage there. So we'll try to chip at it little bit by little bit. All of the food scraps that I create in the casita, I keep in the fridge because we have very aggressive insects in the tropics. So I keep them in the fridge and then once or twice a week I take them outside. Outside, I have two things. One is a bucket with a lid on it, and the other is a compost pile. So one could argue that I could just throw the scraps onto the compost pile, and I'm sure many people do that, which is just fine. But what I find is if I put fresh scraps onto the compost pile, it attracts little animals and a lot of insects. So what I do is I put them inside the bucket. Once or twice a month, after the scraps have decomposed quite a bit, I mix it into the compost pile. There are two reasons why I have a compost pile. One is so that I eliminate the food that I throw into the garbage to take to the landfill. And also, in time, I would like to have my own fresh earth that I mix in with my garden to keep it nice and healthy. Well, that's it for episode 11, and just an update, we are at 743 subscribers. I am almost at my goal. Thank you very much, and I will see you next week.